Hi, Anand. Hi, Anita.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So we're waiting for some more people to join in. So Anand, where are you from? I'm sorry, I've forgotten this.
I'm from Mumbai.
Okay, all right. And Anita, how about you? Hello, Anita, are you able to hear me? No, she's not. All right. Anand, did you consider to subscribe to eGrowth?
I am already into eGrowth WhatsApp.
Yeah, fine. So that's a free subscription, right? So we just introduced the basic subscription, wherein you get to create your profile on the portal and see the contact details of the people on the portal, post blogs and articles, post your requirements, classifieds, everything.
Well, at present, till now, I am not subscribed.
Yeah. So would you consider to?
Till now, I am not convinced to get into
Okay.
till evaluating.
All right. So how much do you think is the subscription?
I don't know.
So it's only 1,000 rupees plus GST for 1 year.
That's good.
Yeah.
But once I understand how it works and what is the advantage, then I definitely will go for it.
Right. So what business are you in?
I manufacture PVC water stoppers.
Right. So for that, do you need customers?
Yeah, no doubt.
Right. For this, you also need to raise these funds.
Funds generally I don't take from market.
Right. So okay. So when you are coming for this kind of a talk, do you think this adds some value to your business?
That only I got this WhatsApp and eGrowth, and I was just evaluating. Let's see what is it about and how it
Yeah.
is.
So you've been here a number of times, right? So did you get
I
some
have
value out of this?
been two times. One is for one exporter talk. Some exporter was on the talk, and
Right.
secondly, 2 days back when somebody was speaking about China.
Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. So did you get some value out of these conversations?
Not really.
Okay. Fair enough. So what made you come here today then?
Just to recheck what is the topic or something, because now in this the lockdown period, one needs to learn something, if at all, if there is. So I thought let us see what it is.
Right. So this learning is brought to you through a platform, right?
Great.
And that is here. So when you do that, and that is where you subscribe. So
So
that is what the
once I am
value.
convinced,
That is what.
once I am convinced, yeah, it is valuable, then I will definitely subscribe. No doubt about it.
Fair enough. So any questions that you have, I'll be glad to
Uh,
answer those questions.
Now, if we are on WhatsApp, we can regularly attend
So
this.
the actual cost of this one session is 200 rupees,
Hmm.
and we have kept it free right now, right?
Okay.
And there are all right. Today is the 108th talk. Okay.
Great.
So all the previous talks, the recording is there on our YouTube channel.
Acha, very good.
Okay. Now all this is available to you. Technically, it is free, but
Okay.
only when you subscribe will the platform be able to run, right?
Okay.
So that is where the subscription comes in.
Okay.
Because there are so many things that you need for your business, which you may not know otherwise. Means at times they come for the first time. Those can become available to you. So for example,
Right.
there is a gentleman named Mr. Sukhdeepak Malvai. He is the mentor for Bombay. Okay. You can always call him up and seek his advice. You need some contacts, you can speak to him, he can guide you to some contacts. Now that becomes available to you only when the platform is available. And the platform, it works when you subscribe to it. So do you think that is a great value for businesses at large?
Sorry, I just missed what you told because one call came inside.
Fair enough. So let us have the conversation one-on-one, maybe after this, and then we can speak. All right?
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. So welcome, Rajesh ji. How are you doing?
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm fine.
Fantastic.
आप कैसे हो?
एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास, सब आपके इंतजार में बैठे हैं.
That's good, yeah. And it is amazing that so there are people who are there before time.
Yes, so they have been waiting. So at 2:51 we logged in and we had 3 people.
Yes.
Fantastic. So I've just made you the co-host.
Okay.
And we are also live on Facebook.
Okay.
And you can share your presentation if you want.
Okay.
Right.
I'll just
try. Good afternoon, Ahuja ji.
Good afternoon, ji. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Fantastic. आज तो सब कुछ चल रहा है. हाँ जी.
Hi, everybody.
Hi. Yeah. Great. So the presentation is this is how it's working fine.
है ना? ठीक है.
Yeah. ठीक है. So अभी आप इसको stop sharing and then yeah. So we read 2 minutes to 3.
जब तक हम start करें, so let me have an so मैं तो अपना introduction दे दूँगा. So let me just hear from others who all are there. Yes.
Yeah.
Ahuja ji.
So hi, Rajesh ji. I am a CA by profession, by qualification. Now I'm addicted to e-growth. So that is my latest thing. I've been in practice now for about 25-30 years, and I have an office in Bombay. I am based out of Noida.
Okay. तो आपको e-growth में inner circle में नहीं देखा शायद?
1-2 बार आए हैं ये.
Inner circle में I visited for I think एक बीच आधे घंटे के लिए 2 बारी मैं आया हूँ. मैं ज़्यादा अटेंड बाय चांस कर नहीं पाया हूँ.
आनंद जी.
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी.
Yes, sir. बोलिए sir.
So I would like you to introduce yourself.
Why not? Sure. Myself, Anand Krishnan Agarwal. We manufacture PVC water stoppers since last 27 years at Sarigam, Vapi.
Okay.
And my office is at Mumbai and branch at Baroda. In Pan India, we are doing business. Offices are there. Pan India, we have
आपका
branches.
manufacturing का है, so you are into manufacturing?
Yeah, manufacturer of PVC water stoppers.
Okay.
And we export also.
Okay.
Yes.
And do you have any dealer setup in North India, say especially Delhi NCR में है कुछ आपका presence?
दिल्ली NCR में हम लोग सप्लाई करते हैं, बट अभी तक कोई डीलर बनाया नहीं.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
Okay. Yes, Sanita ji.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
मेरा नाम अनीता है एंड मैं सिक्योरिटी सर्वेलेंस से जॉब करती हूँ. मेरी कंपनी का नाम है फर्म का कनेक्ट ट्रेनिंग एंड टेक्निकल सर्विसेज. मैं लास्ट 7 इयर्स से काम कर रही हूँ उनके साथ में.
अच्छा.
एंड हम सीसीटीवी में सर्वेलेंस सिक्योरिटी सर्विलेंस में है, तो सेल्स, सर्विस एंड मेंटेनेंस हम
Okay.
देखते हैं।
ओके
और
ओके
ऑल मुंबई एंड आउट ऑफ मुंबई भी हमने काफी सारे प्रोजेक्ट किए हुए हैं, स्कूल्स, कॉलेजेस एंड बड़े बड़े इंडस्ट्रीज लाइक दिस।
So you are representing your company over here, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So e-growth say, what do you expect from the e-growth? You want to enhance your dealer network and all that? अपना
हाँ जी जी, मैं एक्सपांड करना चाहती हूँ ताकि मेरी कंपनी और लोगों को पता चले और मैं और अच्छे से सर्विस, हमारी सर्विस कैसी है वो जान सके।
ओके 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 राइट।
ओके।
हाँ मनीष जी तो हमारे एवरग्रीन स्टार है। मनीष जी इज एन प्रोफेशनल सीए, तो बाकी वो बता देंगे, सो आई नो। हाँ मनीष जी, यहाँ पे वो इंट्रोडक्शन का दौर चल रहा है अभी।
अच्छा अच्छा, इंट्रोडक्शन चल रहा है, वेरी गुड।
हाँ हाँ राइट।
तो गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन, माय सेल्फ मनीष एंड जैसा राजेश जी ने बताया, बाय प्रोफेशन आई एम चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट एंड आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग टैक्स एंड बिजनेस कंसल्टेंसी एंड माय ऑफिस इन लाजपत नगर, न्यू दिल्ली। थैंक यू।
एंड
बदल गया क्या?
क्या सर? नहीं तो कभी कभी सर चेंज भी तो करना चाहिए अतुल जी, हर बार एक ही मसाला मिले तो मजा नहीं आता ना चटकारे खाने में।
बिल्कुल सही है।
Welcome,
नहीं वैसे बदल गया क्या ऑफिस आपका?
रविंद्र मिश्रा जी।
अच्छा वो, हाँ 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 सर।
ओके फैंटास्टिक।
रविंद्र मिश्रा जी आपका म्यूट पे
Unmute
है।
करिए सर।
एंड या हमारा अभी इंट्रोडक्शन ये राउंड चल रहा है। वी थॉट लाइक let us start with that.
Attend your program today. I will go.
मिश्रा जी का ऑडियो में प्रॉब्लम है लगता है।
थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में थोड़ा सा कह दीजिए। एंड आई विल लाइक एवरीबडी कि अगर वो अपने वीडियो स्विच करे, सो इट इज ऑलवेज गुड टू हैव एन ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन, तो थोड़ा सा और लाइवली सेशन हो जाता है।
एब्सोल्युटली।
यस,
Am I audible now?
थैंक यू अनीता जी।
Am I audible now? I am.
सौरभ जी वेलकम।
थोड़े से कम, इट्स नॉट लाउड इनफ बट यस यू आर ऑडिबल।
Now is it okay now?
मैं थोड़ा सा
Yeah.
वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज कर लीजिए।
मिश्रा जी नई आवाज आ रही है सर, आज पूरा ताकत लगाना पड़ेगा सर, तब आवाज आएगी हमारे पास।
नहीं भाई, आएगी ऐसा क्या है, हमारा पूरी आवाज आएगी।
हमारे इनर ग्रुप में सो आई कैन सी सौरभ जी, मिस्टर चीमा, तो वो दोनों भी है। तो थोड़ा सा सो इंट्रोडक्शन करके सो वी कैन जस्ट स्टार्ट दिस सेशन।
I am Ravindra Mishra, nicknamed Ravi, ex-Government of India employee.
आवाज नहीं आ रही।
आप थोड़ा सा अपने, हाँ ये नजदीक यहाँ से बोल लीजिए। यस।
From Ministry of Communication. And,
नहीं।
is it okay now?
नो।
सौरभ जी आपकी भी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
हाँ आ गई।
तो रही है, आ रही है।
आई थॉट लाइक आपने बोला और
What about me? What about mine now? Am I audible now?
नहीं,
Am I
आवाज
audible?
आ रही है बट बहुत कम।
क्या हो सकता
सुधा जी वेलकम।
है? आज लगता है बुरे दिन हैं।
Okay, fantastic. So good afternoon, everybody. It's a pleasure to start with another CEO talk. Okay, today we've got a very interesting conversation which is lined up. Our speaker for the day is Mr. Rajesh Pandit. Rajesh Pandit is an engineering graduate from NIT Bhopal. After doing his engineering, he thought he did not want to work for somebody. He wanted to create jobs for other people, and that is how he started his company. And he started this company with none other than another friend of his whose name is Rajesh Pandita, so that people do not confuse both of them. So one has an additional A in his name. And both of them have been friends since school. Last I know is since class 4 they have been together.
Exactly.
In school they were together, in college, and after that they are together to build their business. The only thing is Rajesh Pandit, he lives in Gurgaon, and Rajesh Pandita lives on the other side of Yamuna, and both have the office which is very close to Yamuna in Delhi, in Okhla. All right. Over the years, they built a company called Amicus Infotech. Amicus Infotech started off as an IT solutions company, which was a hardware company. They did some installations. One of the most prestigious projects that they did was for coastal guards. And then along the journey, they got into software. And today they run a full-fledged software development firm, which is also into application development. And they have one is they believe in bonding. Amicus, if you know, is all about being amicable, and the kind of solutions they provide are really class of the art. One of their customers name is Lenovo. It used to be IBM before they became Lenovo, and today they service Lenovo across 125 countries on this planet. Other
Wow,
than
very
that,
nice.
they also have been doing some strategic projects. One of the projects I must definitely mention is that they did a project for KPMG for a power distribution company in India. So wherein they do the analytics for that power distribution company, and this happens to be in Andhra and Telangana. He will tell something more about it. So when I was speaking to him, what will you talk about? He said, "Yaar, dhanda to main roz baat karta hu. Let me talk something different." So this something different that he's going to talk about is, it will be very relevant for each one of you. It is how to manage your business remotely. See, we've been listening about work from home. We've been listening about a lot many things. Okay. So this has been a cultural change which has happened during the past 5 months. On the employee side, it has meant more relaxed. It has meant lesser number of hours and a lot of plus points. Let us hear it from the employee side. Means as somebody who's running the company, he is answerable to the customers, and his job is to extract maximum value from the employees, still ensuring that their well-being and that overall they're still being viable as a business. So Rajesh, this is I think I've done enough. Now it is your job.
Yes. Thank you, Atul, for this wonderful introduction. So on record, I will place my gratitude to Atul for giving us this kind of a platform, while say small entrepreneurs like us have a platform कि थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो जाता है हमारा नाम भी. So thank you so much, Atul, for this platform. I will like also to congratulate him for running this show for 100 days. My God. So I couldn't believe that. When you just said it, 100 days, मैं बोला यार कैसे? So this is the kind of, when we just talk about the success stories, perseverance is one of the mool mantra for any kind of a business. And that is what he's an symbol है उसका. So while I just talk about myself, so I will set right expectations, right? So don't expect any kind of an inspirational stories from me, because I'm not that inspirational, and neither our work is that inspirational. But yes, what I will just share is our experience, vast experience and learning. And I'm sure that with those experience and learning, so you can take them and work them on their own respective fields to give you maximum results. I'll share the presentation, but then before what I will just do, this is Amicus Infotech Private Limited, and as Atul has given in the background, so I'll start my journey. So I have done my जो हमारे student career So I originally belong to Kashmir. So we had done our studies from Kashmir, and then I had joined NIT Bhopal. So I did my computer science graduation from NIT Bhopal. So that was the time when there was a turmoil. So Rajesh, my partner, so as he had said, so he was in NIT Srinagar. So at that point of time, he also shifted there, and that is how we just got together again. So as he said, so we have been together since now fourth standard, and uh, and that is how it is. And when we just so passed out from our colleges, we started our jobs. Like मैं software, I just went into software development, and he started working in SCL as an hardware. He had an computer. He's an electronic this graduate, electronic telecommunication से उसने करा हुआ है. So he's an engineering graduate from electronic telecommunication. He started his job in SCL. So down the line, time के बाद, so we thought like, yeah, so let us do something of our own. So remember, so we were the first, so we had no entrepreneurial background. There was nobody in the family who had his own business. So we are all from in service class. My father was in DOT, and my mom is a teacher. So both of them have retired. So then it was like so when I जैसे बीच में 10 साल 11 साल के बाद हमने सोचा यार ये हमने क्या करा, मतलब it was like चलो start करते हैं. It was, and since we were a dominant in our families, so we gave it a try because we had our good career record to back us, and so उनको लगा कि अगर if they can just do well in the career, so this is also a decision which they have to back. So that is how they gave us a permission to just have this entrepreneurial journey. So we started, as Atul had said, so we started I started developing softwares. In मेरा पहला experience था, and the first customer was we just developed an ERP, mini ERP in carpet industry. And I like to tell you that now it has been around more than 25 years, and I have been not in touch with that company, but it still runs. ये एक DOS Fox Space में बना था, उसके बाद हमने इसको Visual Basic में लिया हुआ है, and they are not ready to spare it. मैंने इनको कहा था, बोलता नहीं हमारा काम अभी भी चल रहा है. So and I was just so flattered last around 4 साल पहले when I just went to their company and to see that same system. So जहाँ पे मैंने खुद बनाया हुआ था, I was just into as a developer and all that. So my other partner, so he just took interest in networking skills and all that, and we had governmental orders. So हमने, as Atul had also said, so we just worked for Navy, we worked for Coast Guard. So on Coast Guard front, this was the first time, so they had their network all over the campus, and that is how we just did it. And then, so there was an offer from some other companies to, at that point of time, the medical transcription was going on. So उन्होंने कहा कि that, so you be a 50% stakeholder, so we will talk big. So you are doing small, so why not to join us? So we thought like, yes, it's a good idea. So we then partnered with them, and there was a big company. So they had offices in US, उनका Hong Kong में presence था, and they bought a company in Pittsburgh. And it started getting big. But then when it was started getting big, so there was a lot of investment requirement. And being a 50% stakeholder, so हमारा भी जो investment था, so काफी लगता. Then we just thought like, yeah, this is one, वहाँ पे investment इतना है, and plus this is not something so where we are using our own resources. Like so जो हम करने बैठे थे, it's not like that. It's something different. So then we just took, at that point of time, we took a decision. So let us clean our portfolio. Then what we did, so we just sold our shares and to them, and we exited that company. And it was that at that point of time that we started fully software company. So we cleaned our entire hardware portfolio and started full-fledged. At that point of time, we realized that where the potential lies. So, and we should have a focus. If we just keep focus on different things, so then so it is not something, so it can't take us anywhere. So I'll just start. थोड़ा सा मैं इसको आगे ले जाता हूँ. So software company 2007 से बनी है फिर. So this is we have around 13 years of providing. So ours is an IT company, and we provide mobile and web application solutions. I'll just talk about it, what all we do, and so I will talk about those only things which will be of your interest, and which might give you an idea about how to do things at your own companies in terms of this. कैसे है? Maybe say you will take some of the positives from this presentation and apply them on your own at your own place. So this is our history. As I said, 2007 Amicus launched, in 2010. So we had so around 50 all projects हमारे पास थे. And then so came a turning point. At that point of time, we had a lot of projects. हमने 100-150 प्रोजेक्ट करे हुए थे तब तक, मतलब स्मॉल प्रोजेक्ट जहाँ पे ना तो एक्नॉलेजमेंट था, जहाँ पे फोकस नहीं था, जहाँ पे से इट वाज not a roadway कि जहाँ पे you could have taken us big. But then yes, so we maintain quality and all that. That is how we just got references. Now उस references से एक reference, so we just got it from UK based loyalty company है. So they were in a logistic companies, and they were just working with companies like IBM and a lot of other companies, providing them a reward management solution. So they talked to us. So can we build a system? Can we build a system where we can just help them? We can help them do everything so which we are doing offline and online system. So that is how we just came in a picture. And that, when I just say turning point, that was really a turning point, because so all of the sudden, so every parameter changed. Our quality, so we had to work very hard for that. So and हमने क्या करा? So both of partners, so we just went into operations itself. We thought like so पहले operations को ठीक करते थे, because this is a kind of an opportunity. वहाँ अगर we just can sustain it, so it can take us so it will be a lifelong kind of a thing. And वहाँ पे हमने system सीखे. वहाँ पे हमने सीखा that what it takes to make a software company, and what we were doing was not actual work. So that was not a kind of a quality work. So we just put a lot of hard work. So रात को बैठना, and my partner so just work very hard on this. So like we enhanced our qualities many a times, which we had not even thought about. नई चीजें हमने वहाँ पे सीखी, because so when you just work with the big companies, the biggest thing जो वहाँ पे आती है, so that is quality. Now, so for example, initially हम क्या करते थे, जैसे हमने सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया, तो सॉफ्टवेयर में जी आप देखो, so is it working fine? No, there's some problem. So 5 seconds, can you just look into that? Is it working fine? Yes, it's working fine. Done. कहाँ खत्म? But यहाँ पे, so we had to work at different stages. We had to work on dev servers, staging servers, different. At every stage, we had to get an say feedback, and then sign off from an quality head, sign off from an say account holder tha, usse sign off, and then from a client. Only then it went to production, and the production wasn't very sensitive. Only few people used to manage that, and that is where so we learned a lot of things. So I'll just then the journey started. So we just had so we then captured a lot of prestigious people. Like we worked with Procter and Gamble, we worked with Youths, we worked with a lot of other companies. Like even in India, so we just worked even with Intel. Say उनका एक program था किस्मत की चाबी. So वहाँ पे so we had to draw an lucky draw for people so who were buying their hardware, and it had to be truly like एक random draw होना चाहिए था, so there can't be any loopholes into that. So in this journey, so Ernest and Young was appointed to see that if our this software is truly random and it has no loopholes, so that the draw which हम निकाल रहे थे वो true, so it was in a true sense, and that is, and we just worked with other companies also. Reckitt Benckiser से हमने करी है. So we just first time in India Reckitt Benckiser ने जब online start करा उनके dishwashing powder, so it was done through us. So and then so others जो यहाँ पे मैंने वैसे mention नहीं करा वैसे, these are some of the clients. I have just mentioned only some of them. IBM, Procter & Gamble, Lenovo, this is Airtel. Airtel के साथ so we just worked with their survey system. All India based पे हमने उनके surveys बनाए. And that was implemented. इनका एक Airtel का एक HR division था. So for that, so we just have worked. And then it was ExxonMobil था, उनके लिए हमने काम करा हुआ. Sita is again an interesting story. Sita is a Society International Telecom Association. It is a France-based company. Now so it has जो 99% of airlines का infrastructure देखते हो, so it is maintained by Sita. So it has very big players having their stakes there. So I remember around 10-15 years back, they sold one of their divisions for around $4.5 billion. So it was like an opportunity, small opportunity थी वहाँ पे. So वहाँ पे एक so they had talked about implementing Siebel. Now Siebel is, if it was a king in CRM. CRM में अगर if anybody talked about it, talked about Siebel. But Siebel ने उनको ये कहा कि that we will just take 1.5 years to implement it. There was one Michael, I don't remember his exact name. He was from Paris. So he said, yeah, I'm not sure that if I can be in a company for 1.5 years. So I want something quick. The young guy, so he talked to his MSc manager who was in Delhi. So कहा यार थोड़ा सा हमको form बना दीजिएगा, so that we start doing something. So I'm getting restless, so let us do something. So he called us, say यार make a couple of templates for us. So we started making a couple of templates for them. And then they said, yeah, so it has come good, let us enhance it. So they just made one more template. For the period of the time, so we made more and more changes. And within 6 months, Siebel was out. And यहाँ पे it was very interesting to note, Sita has, at that point of time, so it's around 10-15 years back. So Sita had presence in around 220 countries. And at that point of time, UNO had listed only 180 countries. So you can now talk about, you can see that kind of a reach. So they had a reach in countries like Zaire and all those, जहाँ पे जिनको UNO ने भी recognize नहीं करा हुआ था. So we had to provide a lot of and that was a time so when internet was at a premium. So not everybody had an internet, so they had to go to their the shops to get connected. So we just developed offline, online mode kind of a thing. So I'll just talk about that later. Now I'm running a successful IT company. So what it takes? So that is what I just said. What it takes to make a successful IT company. So ours it's not that successful, but still, जो मेरी experience है, so जो मेरा so learning है, so I'll share that with you. Now one is that delivering quality constantly. And when we just talk about the quality, everybody talks about the quality, but you have to mean that. It has to be at every stage, every level. So as I said, that every जहाँ मतलब when you just so ये चीजें तब पता चलती है when you just work with the companies who have dedicated quality divisions. वहाँ वो minute से minute चीजें देखते हैं, and that is where we, as I said, that was a turning point, and really a turning point, because so then we just our perspective changed. So we now went down to the lowest level to see कहाँ पे कोई loophole है, कहाँ पे quality को control करना है. Okay, so that is quality. Then there is an innovation. As I said in my journey, so we started with something else, and IT is totally about innovation. जो आज मैं सोच रहा हूँ, it won't be relevant 5 years down the line. So you have to constantly evolve. You have to constantly evolve your changes, and same is true about the other fields. I can't now that एक global market बन गया हुआ है, so you can't be isolate. You can't keep your company isolated. Competition इतना है, new guys coming up, and with IT with them and all that. So every time they are just thinking about big things. Now हमारे जैसे generation है, हमारी generation में तो we just looked at survival कि भैया इतने पैसे बनाने आज आज survival is not an issue with the new generation because उनके जो that other generation who have worked very hard so have provided them every comfort. So they are not worried about sustenance. They are worried about कि मेरे को किस काम में मजा है. So what is that? So which is going to help me to go along, and that is where they bring a lot of innovation. So we have to compete with those kids also. So इसलिए innovation बहुत जरूरी है हर किसी field में, and you can relate it to your own fields that how important is the innovation. And managing resources, managing like say आप क्वालिटी करो, इनोवेशन करो, लेकिन अगर आपने रिसोर्स अपने मैनेज नहीं करे हैं, एवरीथिंग कैन गो डाउन द लाइन. आप अगर प्रॉफिट नहीं बना रहे हो, अगर आपके हौच पौच ये है, बाकी आप क्वालिटी दे रहे हो, इनोवेट कर रहे हो, लेकिन आपके रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट अच्छा नहीं है, एवरीथिंग विल गो डाउन. इफ यू आर नॉट मेकिंग प्रॉफिट, you can't deliver quality. If you can't deliver quality, you can't bring innovation. So that is the three things which I'm just going to talk about. Now, when it is quality, so as I said, as I've been repeatedly saying, quality at every level. It is quality is an paramount important to us and hence applied at every level. अब मैं इसमें ask कर रहा हूँ because it's a ready-made हमारी presentation है. So and as I said, we have a cycle. We have a cycle where we can apply this quality at every level. So now comes the important thing, so which is relevant to you also. That is documentation. Now हमने काफी projects करे थे.
राजेश जी पिछली वाली slide एक बार थोड़ा सा explain करेंगे? I think
Okay.
that will be helpful for everybody.
Yes.
So it may not be relevant from the IT perspective, but it is definitely relevant to everybody as a business.
Yes.
So if you could dwell on all the 8 points.
Okay, I'll just do that. See, one is that so I tended to skip it because I thought like so ये IT के related ज़्यादा है, but yes, I know I reckon that so people can just apply.
And I did not want to skip it.
चलो,
Yeah,
smart
please.
of you. Okay, now जैसे हमारे field में है, so we have test level engineers. That is a level 1, and then there are तो वो क्या करते हैं, so just they do test the forms and all that, so they don't go into the logical issues. So logical जो है, so that is done at a QA level 2-3, and then there is an version control. Now version, what is version control? Now version control is like हम क्या करते थे कि that's as I said so earlier, so the modus operandi was to just put everything on a product server. कुछ हो गया तो जी सर देख लीजिए आप, मैं फोन पे ही हूँ, ठीक आ रहा है, हाँ जी आ रहा है. No, it does not work with the bigger companies. यहाँ पे say for example now we have changed something, so as I said we will just take sign-offs from everybody and then so we will just launch it. वहाँ पे अगर कोई भी issue है, वहाँ पे भी कोई भी issue है and they feel that this is not working, so then we can go back to the previous version. And अगर वहाँ पे भी issue है, then we have around 10 different versions जो successful versions है. So we in a jiffy, it takes around 2 minutes to switch the version, and it is a very important thing in the software development जहाँ पे आप version control पूरा कर सकते हो, क्योंकि people can't tolerate कि जी आज आपकी कम ये आपका सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं चल रहा है. No. So there is no room for those kind of excuses. नहीं चल रहा है, आपने नहीं करा, but then ठीक है, so just go down. So go down the version which was successful. So that is what the version controlling is all about. And now when we just talk about the confidentiality, now confidentiality, So we're just working with these bigger companies, and we know ins and out. अगर हमारे पास ये in and out नहीं पता होगा, so we might not deliver this kind of a software which is required. So we, like doctors, like lawyers, so we also need to have and have to know the complete story of that particular company. And for that, so it is very important to sign confidentiality documents. And what we just do, so we in turn sign those confidentiality documents with the people also. And there is a clause with our employees that जो भी हम confidentiality document sign करते हैं, so you are a party for that. You are a party for that, and you have to be liable for that. So they are being told, like, so what is important. So right from the first date, एक पहले उनका जो 2-3 दिन का session होता है, it is only about the confidentiality. It is only about, say, the rules. So what if anything goes wrong? So who is liable and all that. So it is so we have to lay stress on that part. That confidentiality is a very important parameter in our field. And that is how we sign all these NDAs and all that. And then just data backup. Now data backup is very important. हमारे पास multiple servers रहते हैं. So we have just multipliers. So हमारे पास, so for example, now when we are just talking about this IBM and all that, so we have 6 mirror servers. If one goes bad, second takes care, third takes care. And then on top of that, so we have monthly data backups every month, and then just we keep it at our own end. So हम तो ये मान के चलते हैं, कल कोई वॉर हो गया, एटॉमिक क्लैश हो गया, वो सर्वर उड़ गया, सब कुछ, तो उसके बाद क्या नहीं, उसके बाद भी मेरे पास भी है 5-6 बैकअप्स मेरे पास भी है. I can just start from there. We don't have to start from the level 0, and that is the data backup. And then multiple servers, as I was just talking about. Now we don't directly work on one server, so it goes through development. पहले तो अपना personal जो we call it as a local server. Now local server के बाद, so we go into the development server. Development के बाद it comes to the staging server, and then final production. Now production में only couple of guys have right to operate that. And in our scenario, so there were the guys who were operating from Australia. Nobody else was allowed to touch it. And prior permission लेनी पड़ती है कि that जी Monday 10 बजे deployment है, so all of us will be there to deploy it. And that is how that entire thing works. And as I said, separate development team, and then just project management tools. Now project management tools में जैसे हम use करते हैं, so we just use Jira and all that. So we use ticket system, जहाँ पे आप अपनी ticket raise कर सकते हो, and then everything related to that ticket goes into that particular thing. And then unless and until the account holder close it, so it is open. And if it is open, that does mean that we have not sorted out the issue. So we are persistent with our clients, please close it now. So it has been done, or if you want to add anything, so do that now, because people are very particular about these open tickets. And that is what it is. Utul ji, आगे इजाजत है?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. So fantastic. So yeah, so my only point here is for all of us who are listening to this, most of these steps are applicable to your industry also.
Yes.
Right. So we may, you may not have a test engineer. You may have maybe somebody who's working on the shop floor. Then there is a QA is quality assurance, which is on top of it. And then there is a standard version with whom you are verifying it, right? Then there is a confidentiality if you are working for somebody else. And then if you are working for somebody else, you definitely need to stand by their parameters. So like this, all these 8 things are definitely applicable to your industry as well. Yeah, Rajesh ji, please.
Yeah, thank you, Atul ji, for relating it to the other industries also. Yes, definitely. तो जो ये सर्कल के जो मॉड्यूल्स है दे विल चेंज, बट देन सर्कल हो सकता है 8 से ज्यादा हो इन योर इंडस्ट्रीज, एंड यू हैव टू डू इट एट एवरी स्टेज.
बिल्कुल हो सकता है आपके 8 पीसेस की जगह 6 हो, 8 की जगह 10 हो, दैट इज फाइन,
राइट,
बट स्टिल यू हैव टू हैव इट.
yes, and consciously do that. I'll just tell you, I'll just make it a point. जैसे मैंने ये कहा कि just whenever we're just doing small things, so हमारे पास ये कुछ था ही नहीं, मतलब लिखने के लिए बस था, ये है. Now so you should mean it in spirit. So just stick, अपने यहाँ पे बना दो, ये हमने करा क्या? Yes, it is stick, and you will see the value. Maybe say as morning में हम we were just talking about the firefighting in small companies. Firefighting रहेगी, but then अगर यहाँ पे हम थोड़ा सा work करें ना, you will realize that how much time we will save. Forget about everything else. The time हम कितना save कर रहे हैं, and उसके results are multiple. जैसे I said that initially we had done 50 or 100, 200 projects. कोई मतलब ही नहीं, मतलब 200 projects से हमें कुछ ऐसा कुछ आगे हमको, so we just thought that it's an investment, but it was not an investment. If you just do one or couple of projects in a big like in a this kind of a quality environment, that means a lot. So then you are doing a value addition to your business, then you are doing a value addition to your assets, your clients, and try that. Yeah, that's what I can just say. And
Absolutely,
quality mein, yes. And while I just talk, I'll just like to hear from others. So is it going on an expected mode? इसमें enjoy कर रहे हो कि that bore तो नहीं हो रहे हो, so that I can just, और speed ज़्यादा कम तो नहीं है? I like to hear from others.
Yeah, so either you unmute yourself and give your
I'll
remark, or
unmute.
maybe
I'll
put it
unmute.
in chat, whichever way works for you.
I think it's fine. आई आवाज मेरी?
हाँ, आपकी आवाज आई,
बिल्कुल,
तो
बिल्कुल।
बाकियों से मैंने सुना नहीं, so मैं सोच रहा था तो नहीं गए हैं सारे.
नहीं सर, आपका स्पीड भी काफी अच्छा है और समझ में भी आ रहा है स्टेप बाय स्टेप.
अच्छा, ठीक है. जहाँ पे भी आपको लगे कि ये मेरे को रिपीट करना चाहिए, और दिस इज नॉट समथिंग सो व्हिच यू हैव गॉट, सो आई एम हियर टू रिपीट इट. So that is the only way I can add value to your time. That is the
yes,
thing
sir,
you
yes,
have
sir.
gathered. I am just very thankful कि हमारी भी किसी ने सुनी अतुल के सौजन्य से. So I'll try to make most of it. Yes. Okay. Thank you everybody. Thank you Ahuja ji. Okay. Now we are just talking about the second point. So documentation. Now documentation quality का एक बहुत ही बड़ा एक कहते हैं, so this is an core of the quality also. Now initially what we used to do, at least in the services, maybe in the products also, but then जो बाकी हैं in services, so what are the deliverables? Now unless and until you are sure about the deliverables, you can't deliver. हमने we just talked about, we worked a lot, and उसमें ये जी सर क्या बनाना है, ई कॉमर्स की साइट बनानी है, ई कॉमर्स की साइट बन जाएगी जी आपकी 15 दिन में. एंड देन देखते थे यार उसने क्या सोचा था, हमने क्या दिया, इट वाज टोटली डिफरेंट. एंड देन वहां पे डिससैटिस्फैक्शन यूज्ड टू क्रीप इन. यार ये तो था ही नहीं हमारा, सो दिस इज नॉट समथिंग व्हिच वी थॉट अबाउट. ओके, so what we you thought about, यार मैंने तो पॉइंट्स लिए थे, दिखे थे आपको, यार वो तो पता ही था, दिस इज ऑब्वियस यार, you could not have missed it. तो आपने तो पॉइंट्स दिए थे, तो बट ये तो यार दिस इज कॉमन सेंस. मतलब these are the things which you will listen. These are the things जो आपको अपने ट्रेड में हर किसी में, यार ये तो कॉमन सेंस है, तो इसमें बोलने की क्या जरूरत थी. डोंट डू दैट. तो जो आप deliverables है, put them on a paper, send that deliverables to your this clients. And एक और चीज है, educate your client about the document. जो आप दे रहे हो उनको minutest thing उनको dictate करो. Like I can't every time get a client like Atul, so who is so well. जब when we started, I don't know how many of you know that. So eGrowth has been done by our company, and when we just started eGrowth, he came with a 300-page document. मैं बोला भाई यहाँ पे तो उल्टा हो गया. So you came prepared for it, and that is the level of documentation he had done. he had an interaction with us. I just talked about document, हमें क्या क्या चाहिए होगा, हमें screens के चाहिए होंगे and all that. So then उसने कहा मेरे को time दे दो. It took around 15-20 days, and then we had a lot of sessions with him, and that is how we could freeze those documents. And documentation, we see that is a 25% of the project. Please don't ignore it. ये see, unless and until एक document आपके पास पूरा होगा, you can't work. मतलब work ही नहीं कर सकते हमारी industry में at least. What we just do, we don't ask our developers to apply their own minds. We tell them don't apply your mind. So there are different minds which have to be applied in it. You only do what the documents say. ना आपको 5 पैसा यहाँ पे जाना है, ना आपको 5 पैसा उधर जाना है. Every screen has been documented. Screen के functions documented है. आपके test cases documented है कि अगर उसने ये दबाया तो क्या होगा, अगर इसको input ये होगा तो क्या होगा. Every case में 100 test cases लिखे जाते हैं, and they have to work as per that. Nobody can question them. यार ये क्यों नहीं है, वो कहेंगे कि डॉक्यूमेंट में नहीं लिखा था इसलिए नहीं है. That is it. कल को क्लाइंट आ जाता है तो वो at every stage we take a sign off from them. सर ये डॉक्यूमेंट ठीक है, अब आप वायर फ्रेम्स ठीक है, आप you sign it, return us back. तो कल so he can't tell us कि I was not knowing this. First educate them and then just take them through this journey. And as I said, getting sign off from the client at different stages. ये हमने इनिशियल एक रिक्वायरमेंट डॉक्यूमेंट दिया, सर ये ठीक है, हाँ जी साइन ऑफ कर दो. सर ये हमारा दूसरा टेक्निकल डॉक्यूमेंट है, जरा उसको भी देख लीजिए. देन देयर इज अ वायर फ्रेम, हाउ द रिजल्ट विल कम, एंड देन देयर इज अ टेम्पलेट. ये टेम्पलेट हम कर रहे हैं एंड उसका हम कपल ऑफ स्क्रीन्स दिखा देते हैं. इफ दैट इज ऑल इज ओके, देन वी स्टार्ट. उसके बाद ये प्रोडक्शन पे चला जाता है. ओनली देन द प्रोग्रामिंग एंड ऑल दैट स्टार्ट. ओके, गेटिंग कांस्टेंट फीडबैक्स. एंड हाँ, दिस इज एक चीज मैं हर टाइम कहता हूँ कि जितना आप डिलीवरी में प्रॉमिस करो, थोड़ा सा उससे ज्यादा दे दो. देयर लाइज द डिलाइट. वहां पे डिलाइट फैक्टर वहीं पे लाइक करता है. मैंने 10 चीजें दी थी, मैंने 12 दे दी उसको, एंड दैट इज वेयर यू कैन गेट द सेटिस्फैक्शन. एंड अबव ऑल, प्लीज budget quality in your cost. Whenever you are doing this, so you should have that budgeted in your, otherwise this is not sustainable. 10 लोग लगाओगे, उसके बाद आप you can't sustain this quality. And उसके लिए so don't let people compare you with a freelancer. Don't let people compare. यार वहाँ का तो रेट कम है, तो ठीक सर रेट कम है, तो it's a difference. I just tell people, yeah, TCS का है and TCS के rates बहुत अच्छे हैं, so that is 10 times more, but then still क्योंकि उनके quality parameters उनके अलग है, so उनके expenses अलग है and everything, so we can't challenge कि they're charging more. There is a psychological see. वहाँ पे भी एक client को TCS के काम करने से, when we just see signs at TCS, he knows that, so he is putting billions of dollars worth work on their engine. So that engine, अगर उसको doubt एक, and that engine costs only 0.5% of his total trade, so it is worth taking that kind of an एक if they feel कि हमें पैसा ज़्यादा लगाना है, they should do it, right? Above all, budget quality in your cost. So quality ये हो गया है, and then so we just talk about the innovation. Now, as I said, now initially when we started, अतुल sorry, मेरे को ना थोड़ा सा टाइम बता देना कि मैं शायद how much time is left.
3:44 हो गए, 2 मिनट बचे हैं आपके पास
बस.
हाँ
यार कल तो मैं कह रहा था मैं इतना कैसे बोलूंगा, तो यार then I can just right, sorry.
मुझे मालूम पंडित लोग ज्यादा बोलते हैं.
नहीं मेरे को तो
जितना बोलते हैं उतना पैसा मिलता है.
Okay, so I'll okay, so then I'll just rush through it. Now there's an so when we just talk about the innovation, you have to innovate. You have to start thinking about, so what next. जब हमने start किया था mini ERP start करा हमने Fox में, and then we just said नहीं ये, so this technology is outdated, take it to that Visual Basic. And then so at one stage, even in the software, we thought like, so now no more desktop operations, हम Visual Basics and all that. So everything is going to go on a net. So we will just go on an internet. So हमने internet start करा, and then we realized, yeah, with the mobile, so the mobile, so it's an integral part of now your journey. So we included the mobile also in our portfolio. And see, हमने product development कैसे करी है? So we have just, एक राज बता देता हूँ, so we are not invested much. So we have used जो clients के साथ हमने work करा है, so on that, so products थोड़ा सा निकल के आए, and we just made some products. Now with the IBM, so this program is called as KYI, Know Your IBM. अभी भी चल रहा है. This is now 6 years. उनका एक division Lenovo ने ले लिया. Lenovo is running separately, IBM is running separately. Now यहाँ पे so what they do is they incentivize their sales guys. So जो उनके so multi-brand stores रहते हैं, where they can just sell Sony, Dell, and every other thing. So वहाँ पे if the last person who's selling is sorry, if he is incentivized to sell their products, so that is what they just want, and then they give them an incentives. यहाँ पे North America alone में, so they were just there was a SPIF program, so they were just giving an incentive to the tune of $5 million through our platform every month, so on month, and we वहाँ पे हमने थोड़ा सा और सीखा कि बैंक के साथ कैसे काम किया जाता है, how to integrate things with the bank, APIs के साथ कैसा खेला जाता है. बैंक is इससे ज़्यादा कोई secure system नहीं होगा, and वहाँ पे if you can just apply the checks, वहाँ पे privacy issues are very large. कि that आप क्या कैप्चर कर रहे हैं, आप अपने सर्वर में क्या स्टोर कर रहे हो, क्या उनको दे रहे हो. So we need to have that kind of an clarity. So when we are asking them these KYC documents, we don't retain them. So we have to make a system where everything goes to the bank through our channels and all that. उसके लिए so there are a lot of encryptions and all that. So that is what we just did. And then यही चीज हमने Lenovo में दी. Lenovo में लेकिन हमने एक चीज additional दी, that was learning management system. I don't know how many of you are aware of the learning management system. Now learning management systems, यहाँ पे संजीव जी भी आ गए. आप कह रहे हो जी बात करो, आप संजीव जी आ गए. Okay, so learning management systems, यहाँ पे अपने प्रोडक्ट्स बेचते हैं. सो देयर हाई एंड सर्वर्स के लिए दे वांट दीज सेल्स गाइज टू बी ट्रेन्ड ऑन दोज प्रोडक्ट्स. उनके लिए सो दे जस्ट गेट इनटू कोर्सेज. तो वहाँ पे हमने एक फ्रेमवर्क बनाया लर्निंग मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम का, एंड वेयर people can just test their first, go through the entire this जो उनके course material है, so that can be animations, everything, and then go for go for this assessment. And once वो assessment हो जाए उसके बाद, so they can just they can just redeem those earn points, and that was about it. Okay, so again, so this is a marketplace, so I'll rush it. So e-commerce है, ये हमने बनाया हुआ है. Then so I talked about the Sita. This is something which we just again an LMS for Duracell College, Procter and Gamble के लिए हमने बनाया था. Worldwide यहाँ पे लोग तो जितने भी HR, so HR used to tell them about their product, their the science behind those products, the competition they are into, and all that. So that is what it was. And then this Qatar Museum, e-commerce, and all that. And this is what Atul talked about, like power of this system is called as that energy forecasting system. Now, energy forecasting system is a kind of a system so where the states can now know how much energy they require every day, every hour. This was first time in India, and business standard and economics time में भी शायद काफी highlight करा हुआ था, that the Central Electrical Authority ने इसको sponsor करा हुआ था, and this we just did with the KPMG. We were partners of we are outsourcing partners of KPMG. Yeah, Atul, that's it. I wanted to talk about the remote management, लेकिन maybe say I can just have another session for that because that is a vast एक अपने में एक अलग सा say so there's a lot of things which go into that remote management. So maybe next time I will just go. Sorry, I couldn't keep it. Atul ji ने got me कि भैया ये चीजें important है, so just dwell on that. So we can just take a next session on that. Yes, Atul ji.
No, yeah, I think this quality aspect was really important.
Yes.
And most of us, we miss on that piece.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. And especially when you're talking about the documentation in the initial phase, and then the dev server, the local server, the dev server, and the staging server, and the production server. I know each one of those what you're talking about.
Yes, yes. You
right.
have undergone all those. Yeah.
Yes. So that's pretty much. I think with this, let us open it for questions to the people. They will be more excited. If you want, you can stop sharing. Or are there any other slides, or is it done?
It is done. I have also to share another thing. मैं उसका थोड़ा सा एक थोड़ा सा दिखा देता हूँ. That's it.
अच्छा.
Okay.
चलो कोई बात नहीं. Let us start with the questions. I think that will be great.
Yeah.
आपने आज already काफी कुछ हिला दिया दिमाग में.
Okay, thank you. So as I said, so I place on record my gratitude to you because I never have been, so I never given in just what all we have just done and all that. It was good to share क्या हमने करा हुआ है. So this was the thing so about the remote management, but we'll just talk about it someday later. अगर
नहीं ठीक है इसके बारे में बता दो थोड़ा सा because that will be interesting for people.
Okay. Team Plus is a product. So जहाँ पे so what we just thought about now we thought about like when your guys are out. So when it is before the COVID times. When your guys are out, तो आपको क्या पता है वो क्या कर रहे हैं? So are you aware? So what all activities they are doing? Are you aware? So what time they started? उन्होंने रास्ता कौन सा लिया? कितने किलोमीटर सर दिन में चले? आज कितना टाइम उन्होंने स्पेंड करा? So we are not aware. So we are not aware कि उन्होंने क्या activities की because so it is not possible to have a manager with all of them. To have some other guy so we can keep an eye on them. And when we just talk about this, see what happens. So when you don't know that that what the other guy is doing, so वहाँ पे क्या होता है कि that your discussions with him start on a negative note. यार आपने कितनी मीटिंग्स करी? 3 मीटिंग्स करी? यार मेरे को तो नहीं लगता. यार कैसे कर लोगे 4 मीटिंग्स आज दिन में? So you start on a negative note. And वहाँ पे so what happens is that people are not getting acknowledgement. जो अच्छा कर रहा है, जो नहीं कर रहा है, both are valued same. So maybe so there is a one parameter कि कौन कितना धंधा ला रहा है. That is the only parameter. But then so there are other parameters. You are not grooming them well. So with this kind of a software, जहाँ पे every minutest details are captured, so you will know their performance. जहाँ हमने इनको गेम बनाया हुआ है.
एक दो slides दिखा दो तो थोड़ा दिखाई देगा.
So this is I'll take the screens only. The remote attendance, meeting reports, outlet stocks report, admin hierarchy, beach planning, visual merchandising. I'll go to that.
और थोड़े हैं ऐसे.
Okay, so this is ये मैं आपको जिस पे जाता हूँ. So for example, now if you just talk about this particular report, now this is about Shivam Gupta. उसने 3rd जनवरी 2019 को डे इन इतने बजे किया, डे आउट इतने बजे किया, किलोमीटर्स उसके इतने थे, 2 घंटे 50 मिनट्स उसने पहले सेशन में काम करा हुआ है. एंड देन इफ आई जस्ट वांट टू सी हिज जर्नी, मेरे को ये यहाँ पे पता चलेगा. 641 he was at आनंदमयी मार्ग, 6051 वो माया फ्लाई एयरपोर्ट. एंड व्हेन वी जस्ट टॉक अबाउट कि इसका मैप देखना है, इट कैन लैंड यू ऑन अ गूगल मैप कि कहाँ पे है अभी वो. एंड एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यू कैन नो वेयर योर गाइज आर in that map. So over here there are 10 guys on here, so you can click on them, so what they are doing, and then so you can compare their itinerary. On this date he took this route, on the second date he took this route, and that is how he is doing. And then what we have just done, so there's a comparison. Now, when you just when you assign targets to them, you assign target, then there has to be a comparison. So how people are doing, and it has, everybody should know how he is doing. It is, should not be that that somebody else should tell them. So it has an एक ना self एक हमने game बनाई है. We call it as a leaderboard, where everybody knows कि अगर मैंने 3 meetings और करी, इसके 10 point मिलेंगे, I can just climb the ladder. I can do well if I do more collections. I can do well if I close more orders. And that's the game. Everybody knows about कि भैया मैं कहाँ पे हूँ, मेरे को 10 point और चाहिए. And then there's an acknowledgement. So the companies which I am just working with, so they call them every month and then acknowledge their working. And this is their meeting, कहाँ पे करी है, उसकी image देखनी है. So for example, I just give an example of shelf visibility. एक particular रहता है, वो आपने जो एक आपने marketing वाले को भेज दिया, so who has to do outlets. तो वहाँ पे outlets में उसको, so we call it as a visual merchandising. Now is SKU available on a shelf facing? Yes. कितने थे old smuggler के? उसने बोला 4. उसका photograph. They can't use a gallery. They have to use camera. They have to use a camera, so there is no chance so they can fudge on things. They have to report actual reporting. They have to show that, so this is what I have just captured. And then you can have a comparison with the other brand. So for example, in case of a old smuggler, so they have the competitor brands. Well, how are they vis-a-vis the competition? 100 Pipers, yes. VAT 16, no. Features, yes. Black Dog, yes. This is actually, so I have talked to, so this is one of the companies, Elco Brew, who are into this. So I just took their permission that I will be using your screenshot. I thought like, so this will be useful for you people.
Product category आपने अच्छी use की थी वैसे.
हाँ, right. Monthly, say for example, now this is monthly activity report. A sales guy है, headquarter यहाँ पे है, उसने कितनी shops करी, total invoice कितनी है, उसकी per day shops उसने कितनी करी है, उसके total shop visits कितने हैं, unique, मतलब all of those kind of reports you can have. You can have their monthly attendance in one sheet. किस दिन उसकी लीव थी, किस दिन उसका कैजुअल ये था, किस दिन अटेंडेंस था, कितने घंटे की वर्किंग, एंड ऑल दैट इन वन शीट. Then okay, then so I'll just skip. Then there are a lot of other things like stocks, उनके orders and all that. So you can have. So thank you for giving me this time. So maybe so let next time I can just take you through the entire journey of different fields, different industries, how they work through this software. Yeah,
perfect.
Thank you.
Yeah. So we're open for some questions.
Yeah.
Let's have some questions.
राजेश जी, मैं एचएस चीमा बोल रहा हूँ, चंडीगढ़ चीमा बॉयलर से. तो
गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
पॉसिबिलिटी है कि जो मार्केटिंग वाले हमारे इंजीनियर्स हैं, उनके लिए ये चीज कुछ हेल्प कर सकती हो?
ये सिर्फ फील्ड के लिए सर. फील्ड में मार्केटिंग प्राइमरीली यूज बाय द मार्केटिंग गाइस.
हाँ, तो इसके लिए फिर मैं एक तो जो आज की रिकॉर्डिंग है वो मैं अतुल जी से ले लूंगा, फिर मैं अपने मार्केटिंग के साथ वो शेयर कर लूंगा, और उसके बाद फिर आपको अलग से एक बार आपसे डिस्कस करा देंगे.
परफेक्ट. तो इसका ना एक पॉइंट मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूंगा कि इसके कारण क्या होता है कि इनवेरिएबली हमारी जो सेल्स टीम होती है उसको हम पर डे या पर डीम या पर किलोमीटर के हिसाब से पैसे देते हैं, और क्या होता है कि वो एक दिन लगाकर आते हैं फील्ड में और आधा दिन लगाते हैं उसकी पर्ची इकट्ठी करके हमको देने में कि जी हमको पैसे चाहिए. नाउ इफ एवरीथिंग इज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, दैट टाइम फॉर रिडम्पशन जो कि हमारा कंपनी का टाइम जा रहा है, दैट गेट्स रिड्यूस्ड. So that way we are this kind of an application is paying for itself. राजेश जी सही कह रहा हूँ?
बिल्कुल सर. आपको this is a cloud solution which is not expensive. आपके अगर 4 किलोमीटर दिन के बच गए तो बाकी तो सारा फ्री है. 3 ही किलोमीटर बचा लो, बाकी सारा फ्री है ये.
Awesome. विजय जी आप कुछ पूछ रहे हैं?
जानना चाह रहा था, हमारी जो बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री है उसमें एनईएफटी के जो क्रेडिट्स हैं जो 4 बजे के बाद होते हैं वो 4-5 घंटे लग जाते हैं सेपरेट आने में। क्या वो लोग अवेयर नहीं है, ये लोग उस पर टेक्नोलॉजी कुछ अपने आप को ऑपरेट करने के लिए?
नहीं, it has nothing to do with NEFT क्योंकि उनका अपना बैंकिंग का it's such a robust system and all that, so we can't
नहीं,
वहाँ पे
एक्चुअली क्या है, इससे
हाँ,
हमारी इकोनॉमी इफेक्ट कर रही है, कैश फ्लो इफेक्ट कर रहा है हमारा।
right.
तो अल्टीमेटली एवरीवन इज कंसर्न्ड विद, क्योंकि ये 24/7 मैंने बहुत प्रेशराइज करके मेरे 12 साल के एफर्ट्स के बाद ये 24/7 हुआ है। उसके बावजूद जो है ये 4 से 5 घंटे का क्रेडिट, उसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं निकल रहा है। इसलिए मैं पूछा टेक्नोलॉजिकली किया जा सकता है क्या
ये अभी ब्यूरोक्रेटिक हैसल्स है, so maybe so they will improve on that. So initially so there was not
नहीं, टेक्नोलॉजी है क्या सर? टेक्नोलॉजी है तो हम लोग उनको प्रेशर
कर सकते हैं। So obviously so 24 hours कर सकते हैं, but then so maybe so they have their own bottlenecks.
रियल टाइम पे कर सकते हैं 24 आवर?
बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं।
राइट, थैंक यू।
राजेश जी,
यस सर।
आपके जो फ्रेंड हैं मिस्टर पंडिता,
हाँ जी,
I used to deal with Rajesh Pandita about 15, 18, 20 years ago in Nehru Place.
Okay.
At that time, I'm just saying he must be the same, maybe the same person. At that time, VoIP had just started.
Okay.
And we had to off and on, because my sister was overseas, so we had to go and
Oh,
buy.
right.
तो ये वही तो नहीं है क्या?
Net to phone?
Correct. Net to phone.
Yes. That's the part of the innovation. Yes.
I had to go to Nehru Place to off and on, buy credit.
Okay.
तो ये वही तो नहीं है अपन?
नहीं, Nehru Place में हमारा तो नहीं था, so we had an office initially in
that must be another.
Then we had in Kalkaji, then finally we just shifted to Okhla.
Okay. Yeah. So that must be another person. Doesn't matter. Yeah.
Right. Any more questions?
Yes, Atul. Hello, Rajesh ji.
Hello. Yes, Rizwan ji.
Yes. Good evening. And what are the actual services that your company is providing? IT company. I understood that it's an IT company. So what are the services? Can you give an example?
As I said, like say we are just providing services like e-commerce है हमारे पास, so learning management systems है, reward management है, and then so any kind of a customized solution. Like I don't know if you have just gone through the eGrowth also. eGrowth is such a vast.
eGrowth portal is made by you, is it?
Yes. And now when I just talk about these solutions, there's a mobile solutions. I was just talking about one of the mobile solutions, that is Salesforce automation. We call it as a Salesforce automation. And that is how it is. Like, so any kind of like,
how is portal different from website?
Websites may be so you can classify them as static and programmable. Now, so everything is website.
Yeah.
So everything is on web. So you can call it as a web. And then there is a now categorization. So when it goes big, so we call it as a portal. So which has a lot of things covered into it. So we call it as we give it a bigger name. Portal. जैसे आपने softwares में देखा, there are software जैसे आपके applications है, then there are mini ERPs, then there are full-fledged ERPs, then there are different modules which we integrate. So that is how the differentiation goes on. Yeah.
So you gave this leaderboard. You mentioned about leaderboard, right?
Yes.
Leaderboard.
Yes.
So is it something like an app?
Leaderboard is a part of the app. So जहाँ पे when I just talked about different people using this as a productivity tool, so there is a leaderboard जहाँ पे उनके region में ये बताता है कि that's who are the guys who are on the top of the ladder based on various parameters. Now parameters can be sale, parameters can be attendance, parameters can be collection, parameter can be closing of orders, all of those. On that, so they assign a weightage on each one of these parameters, and then a scoreboard comes up.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Rizwana. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. So we are at 4 minutes past 4. If we have the conversation on, we can be here for another 5-7 minutes.
Okay. So if there are more questions, I'll be just happy to.
Yeah, definitely. Any more questions? And if nothing else, you can ask whether these flowers behind him, are they genuine or are they artificial? You can ask that also. Or you can also say that his shirt is looking good.
Atul is already geared up for the tomorrow's therapy.
Yeah.
बस मेरे को खड़ा होने के लिए नहीं बोलना, बाकी सब ठीक है.
All right, fantastic. So I think this was really good, and my personal takeaway from today's conversation has been: one, quality; second is documentation; and third, anything that you measure is something which can grow, or what you can take an action upon, which is I think is very important. Yeah, anybody else would like to ask anything else? So there is this gentleman named John. So John, would you like to introduce yourself? Hi, John, are you there? All right, fine. So if there are no more questions, let's complete the call for today. So Rajesh ji, thanks a lot. It was really awesome. And we're looking forward for another exciting session tomorrow. So tomorrow, the session that we are going to have, that is called humor therapy. Okay. Tomorrow, as you know, it's a Saturday and the session happens at 9:30 in the morning. And that is called as Industry Connect. Tomorrow, Rizwana is going to be there and two of her colleagues are going to be there. So Rizwana, if you can take maybe 1 or 2 minutes to share what is it that you're going to create tomorrow, that'll bring in some excitement for all of us to join you tomorrow.
Yeah, sure. Can you hear me clearly?
Yeah,
yes, we can hear you. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm having some network issues.
Yeah.
So tomorrow, humor. Actually, there is a researcher right now in eCounselors Love. Her name is Palak, who's also going to be a guest tomorrow. Her main point is how humor can be used as a coping strategy to overcome the stress in COVID-19 times. So we thought humor by itself can be a therapy. And tomorrow, 3 of us are going to speak about it. That is researcher Palak. She's a mental health professional. She was the one who formulated this idea. And I have formulated about humor therapy. I'll be bringing you some how to be humorous. I will have a discussion with you guys. For example, Rajesh ji, I can talk to Rajesh ji and I can ask some counseling immediately at that moment itself, and I can say how one stressful event or one depressing event, at that moment itself I can talk to him and just remove the blockage and example. For example, Rajesh ji, you are a wonderful person by yourself, but still I'm just giving for an example.
No, that's a good, yeah.
So that I can do for tomorrow. Online group counseling session where I can just bring about humor as a therapy. And the third guest is Amaresh ji. He is a yogi. He's a yogi. And he is a founder of Inner Spirit of Life, and he is doing a lot of things for free these days because of COVID-19. He does a wonderful laugh. So I'll bring him. You guys will have a great laughter tomorrow. I can guarantee you that.
Fantastic. I think in today's days when life has become so significant around us, I think humor is definitely something which will help us release some of the tension that we have, and it will help us grow better and fonder.
Yes.
So thanks. Thank you, Rizwana, for thinking about it like this and offering to host it tomorrow. All right. So see you all tomorrow. Have a great day today, and see you tomorrow morning. Okay.
Thank you,
bye.
everyone. Thank you, everyone, again. So
Thank
for
you,
being
Rajesh.
wonderful
Wonderful
audience.
session.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Yeah. Bye.
Bye, everyone.